So first we will consider this part, which is 1 upon d plus 1 sine e raised to x, and the solution is given by e raised to minus mx integration of e raised to mx v into dx. In our case, v is sine e raised to x and m is 1. So first we have e raised to minus mx, so e raised to minus 1x integration opposite of this e raised to x into v is sine e raised to x dx. So now in this case, if you see e raised to x term is repeating, so we can substitute e raised to x equal to t, then e raised to x dx will be dt. So as you can see, e raised to x into dx will be nothing but dt. So e raised to minus x integration of e raised to x into dx is dt, and sine of e raised to x is nothing but sine of t. So what is integration of sine of t? We know that integration of sine of t is nothing but minus cos t. So this minus sign can be taken outside, so it will become e raised to minus x cos of. Here we have all the terms containing x, so we do not want t, so we will again substitute t equal to e raised to x, so it will be e raised to minus x cos e raised to x. So this is the solution for 1 upon d plus 1 sine e raised to x, which is this part. So the solution for this part is minus e raised to minus x cos of e raised to x. Now we will calculate for this part. Similarly, sine e raised to x upon d plus 2, again we are going to use the same formula here. M is 2 and v is sine e raised to x. So first we are going to write the e raised to minus mx, so m is 2, so e raised to minus 2x integration of opposite of this is e raised to 2x into v is sine e raised to x into dx. So again here e raised to x term is repeating, so again we are going to substitute e raised to x equal to t, then we take the derivative, we get e raised to x into dx equal to dt. So dx is nothing but dt upon e raised to x. So we can substitute these two terms, we will get e raised to minus 2x. E raised to 2x will remain as it is. Sine e raised to x is nothing but sine t. Dx is dt by e raised to x. 1 e raised to x from here will get cancelled with this, and e raised to x can now be represented as t. So it is nothing but t sine t dt. So this equation is of the form integration of u and integration of v. What is integration of u into v? It is nothing but u integration of v minus integration of derivative of u integration of v. So this is the formula of u into v rule. So we are going to apply that formula. First we have u, so u will remain as it is. Then integration of v, integration of sine t is minus cos t minus the bigger integration. Then derivative of u is 1 into integration of v is minus cos t into dt. So this minus and this minus will become plus, and this term will become integration of cos t. So this minus will be here, so minus t cos t, and integration of cos t will be nothing but sin t. So here we have all the terms in terms of x. So here also we need all the things in x. So here we are again going to substitute t equal to e raised to x. So we will get e raised to minus 2x. Instead of minus t, we are going to write minus e raised to x cos e raised to x plus sin e raised to x. So the solution for this part is this. So we get this solution as e raised to minus 2x minus e raised to x cos e raised to x plus sin e raised to x. So the solution for this part is this, and solution for this part is this. When we substitute these two things here, we will get yp. So yp will be addition of both the terms, which is minus e raised to minus x cos e raised to x. Then we have minus of this term. So minus e raised to minus 2x. Inside the bracket we have minus e raised to x cos of e raised to x plus sin of e raised to x. After this I am going to multiply this minus e raised to minus 2x inside the bracket. So we will get minus e raised to minus x cos e raised to x When this minus sign gets multiplied with this, so this and minus will become plus, and e raised to minus 2x into e raised to x will be nothing but e raised to minus x cos e raised to x. This plus and minus will become minus, and e raised to minus 2x sin e raised to x. Now this part and this part is similar and opposite, so it will get cancelled, and we are remained with minus e raised to minus 2x sine of e raised to x. So this is the solution of yp, and the final solution will be y equal to yc plus yp. So this is how we solve the problem on higher order differential equation type 6. More such problems we will see in our next video, so stay tuned for our future lectures.